It don't really matter what you say. I ain't listening.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Aaron here, lover of all things good, and thanks for tuning in. Before we get started, please make sure you turn on notifications and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Also, please comment, let me know what you think, and love to see more from you all, hear more from you all, but also to do some more fun stuff in the future. So today I'm making something very fun, and that is none other than some keto blueberry muffins. So I'm gonna be using almond flour, and they're gonna be gluten-free and absolutely delicious. So stay tuned, you don't wanna miss a bite or watching this play-by-play recipe. So I've been doing keto for about probably 7-8 months, and probably totaled down almost 60 pounds. I know it's hard to believe, but yeah, it's true. Look at my old videos. But yes, definitely excited about it, loving it. It's a lifestyle for me, and just really being healthy. You know, you have your days where you kind of cheat and do your different things, but it's all about basically just moderation and being healthy. So stay tuned, more to come. Thanks for watching. So first things first, I'm gonna get my KitchenAid Artisan. You saw my unboxing video. I'm going to actually use it today to make some blueberry muffin. All right, so today we're gonna be using our whisk. I'm gonna actually just take that right now and put it on here. Lift it up and attach the whisk to it. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna do 2.5 cups of almond flour. This is just regular organic almond flour. I actually bought it at Costco. I'm gonna do So we have about 1/4 cup of butter. I'm gonna put that in the microwave. Don't judge me. So it can basically melt, because we're supposed to be melted butter for this recipe. That's what it requires. So, all right, gonna put that in the microwave, and there you go. All right, so I've added 2.5 cups of almond flour into the my bowl on my KitchenAid mixer. This is an Artisan mixer, and then I'm gonna add some lemon zest, some vanilla extract, and also some baking powder. And then I have about 1/4 cup right here of melted butter. And then I have 3 eggs right here, 3 eggs. And then I also have I'm using some monk fruit today, some monk fruit sweetener. So it's a really natural sweetener. Some people don't like the taste. You can use stevia, you can use, I guess, agave, but it's not really keto. Monk fruit is definitely keto, erythritol is keto, stevia. And there's also one called Swerve, which I'll show you. So this is Swerve. It's actually a really good sweetener as well. Very similar to sugar. We actually may use that today, I'm not sure. But you either use monk fruit or the Swerve. And basically Swerve is just, I can never say this, it's erythritol. I'll put that in the erythritol. All right, don't judge me. All right, so that's what that is. So either use the erythritol or either the monk fruit, one or the other. So we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. All right. This is 1/4 cup of melted butter. Maybe a little bit more. We are doing keto, so why not be a little indulgent, right? So this right here, I'm gonna add 1/3 cup. That's about right. I'm gonna add that in there like that. Nice and creamy. I'm gonna add in 3 eggs, okay? So I'm gonna do 3 eggs. Vanilla extract. I'm gonna do that, and just basically do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in here. It's really gonna help. Lemon zest. All right. And then we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of blueberries. So we have our blueberries right there, but I'm gonna basically just kind of use a handful or something like that. Oops. All right, got a couple strays. I'm put it back in there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that now on the mixer. And just put that down like that. We're gonna lock it and then start mixing. And I think it looks pretty good actually. It's all about the consistency. All right, now we're gonna bring this in. So hopefully it kind of just goes deeply in there like that. Nice. Okay, boom.